Hi, your mama. Galaman penny your mama wouldn't make Casano. Urguna Casano. They were Atebubu. What do we say, Nanjano? We are very careful. Sure. Last year, that your bow many Akwatia. Let us 10 million. Bees 30 million. Sautung abro 100 basa. Tata. Ututo 1 billion. And that Sautung abro 10 basa. As 100 million. Motor continental. Motor crown continental. I didn't think away, sir. Hey, you no go in Dindo. The cocoa bag, Utun say, Utun 60 million. I brought bag of 4 million. I'm on a 1 bag of 5 million. Difference being the room. Tata, Edra, 4 million. Utu a bro bag of 3 million. And you don't tata. Eh? So, video with Saka, you're very careful. You're no second in dough. Fizzle with German, fizzle through Bolly, assembly mine. Ube DC, Ube MP, Ube Minister. One no scout that's my reader. Question me bizarre. And the master is very careful. Ye nyamana utiti no. Sa unim zo bote bros boswa. Moto cheso. Se moto ya wa 80 million. Fabra 70 million. Abobo ya fabra 120 million. And the other need problem. That ya was 2 billion no. Fabra 500 million. 2 column no. 1 column na ya 1.6 billion no. Fabra 500 million. And you took a 100 basa or 400 million to control trata. Nanda utung okota bra. Okota tata 1 billion. I did a more utung about 300 bars. Nasa we know. First no naka utung about 100 bars pay 1 billion. And they pay 1 billion now. I bet this over. Nda kwandam 50 cedi. Now I think about 40 cedi, 30 cedi and 20 cedi. What you Accra? Na muka na parliament. Yeah. Ghana never go mojo. Ghana over 2 Ghana never padio. So be very careful. Be careful. Na yan hwe the 2 ba o me na akufo na yi o to twire no. Ye de ye pa kwa sebo ye be you afro. Uba no kabije 30 million na jare hwa. Abro 10 million na jare hwa. Na mom no come nyama no mo ni kwazo otiso. Say okay, what abro so, what bean so. Moto no what so na dabi. Tata what so na dabi. E kai do 4 million what so na dabi. Ente yan fa ya no mom na awi wura na aso ye kwa. Ala ye upate fa ya to bong mom na e fa ndo sa so no. You're very careful. Manya start they about to home no obeni bini.
Ebusuama akaba bion from Braga na Nsem TV enso. Yenya be me hwe ne video ekire mu se abra na MPP aban ne wo hono ma no mo se omotrem odimpo no. Na omoton ebro bag ba ko a omutimi etomoto ewom. Omutimi to ne mabapa wom na emom na enne na eyezu eyeza aban ne ba ya o se aban papa mom aba no. Ekom di omo na moton ade mpo ayento. Eburo no so kwa ne buro na akofom no oton so a yento. Achire mu se wo hwe endra na wo de compare na e kire se aban we no ebuo mafa so akire se waskam yo mo kese pa akire se busuya enya asem ketwa enam so ema wo se John Dramani Mahama we gana mampini no enhwe na ontimi tutu ne ma yi se na be ya moton eburo na omo nso no mbenye bi e de akofia akomo momba ena mo nwanom so no so monye bi edi na sansem yo de tu dwa yi na Ghana fo bebre nso e kire wadwo ho se yehu ye na nka yese nka yekoto aba ma yehu abesonson yen esan samre na mo se Ghana e wo hawo amane na bebesemu etike wa ko yi okandifo abedi enimu a ode Ghana be ko eyebo sha asaso nze mom no asa aba yekoto yi de yekoto aba eni yehu a kise Ghana fo ne bebre e ka nsem a ha adwen yi na medie ipenifo se etufu na wantia na wokọ antia de esan se ye ka kire mo samre ne se papa ye fe ne John Dramani Mahama we be ka na mampeni pen na enim sene na mambu esitie sene obey president a oman ne mu esiye den na temamfo no ebre dem won de kan ye no wantie na wonso no wanfa anya adwuma san se de na wonim no nema mienu pe a na efre ne se eyezu eyeza eno nti se nne no akoba ne se na esi abai di a beka ne se momfa ne saa esan se nyandru ba bia afei na ye hye enema ase afei na afei ne kra ne ya hye ase na afei no busumi nkromu ne yewi yakọ busumi eno nti mesere se obenya ntobo ase esan se die animu a eba no ena sebi preduasa edoso wey de eye comedies ena na unim de yesere imagine say afia atwa na oton ebro one bag oton cocoa ene beans utimi nyeska bebere wonsem ema utimi di dridja efili benze bai nene yese eyezu eyeza eyaza aban no ebaaye no a wazan wo no and then oton ebro bag ba kokora na ontimi ento half of what na otimi to in 2024. We should set an example to you people. Say penini ka asema chirewa men kasa me kofia ko bisa kwala isa se penini no waya kwala pen into onim de all kan chirewo ye tuufo na wenti ya penyefo se reden okwanti ade ne no na ama ene ewie ye sei because people came out and told us say mamu nya mistake na monfa eye presidency no enkwose sankofo we insa but you guys was like no you people are not making sense, you don't like, you don't know any si akoduru bia ye we eno nti monfa ne saa na munya no saa pepepe ema yen isan say se kan na nka wotie ya na nka bia ankwanko wie no sei but etuofo na wontie a anti ade na obekọ eno nti ene akoduru bia ye wo enei media megidi say Ghana no beye ye mom na mom nkofo besu ansa na Ghana no ayeye haye Ghana nsem TV le dia mejeso no onim dada
ope party a odi ntafo hwemo a eye NDC fo di ntafo hwemo me ka no kore na kyerɛw wokɔ kan so ase hwimfiri ukurum ho ma enkra ho no de na ifiri ho ba nso hwe project kase a moye no edi na ifiri ho ba wo ye MPP ni a meka bi na me phone no ye wo na woto ma me wo nto data ma me meka bi meka se ye no kore NDC fo mo di ntafo hwemo mo ma ye nsasi fom mama yensasi fom me kana kore na akira mo wo hwenta for ministers yi mo MPs inkuru ni president ede pa na moye boa interfoman no region de pa na moye boa yen mama yensasi fom ya kana kore akira mo
Akwatia by elections no de esi wo ho no muhu se krobofo ekun wo ho dabi muhu se ayigbefo ekun wo ho dabi muhu se nkranfo ekun wo ho dabi muhu se mfantini anase asantini anakwawni ekun wo ho dabi eye hemfo yenya mekoka na mobuafu mekoka se siremfo anase ntafo babia ye wo bia de wo ho babia ye wo bia watimi wakame wo ho babia ye wo bia ntokwa wo ho edentia hwe Ghana ha say enye ntafo nko anya sirimfo nko a na live o Ghana ha but ntokwa bia beba bia 80% obekom no na ye yen ntafo eye maye bia muntwa so na yedin no ensesa aden
she by election etu wo Akwatia ha sei no niema MPP elusu ni sei omo gina nya atwomso ana etu aba no etia ye NPP bisa sedentia eside na NDC fo eche 200 cedis na NPP mu che 20 Ghana wonya kesia ana ye 50 cedis nya atwomso no mu gina na omo de to aba no party agents a omo jeja police stations no ebi ye nya atwom kire se sika na ba na omo nche sika no ema ye ntimamufuo ye nto aba ye penkan ko MPP fo ye penkan ko omo nche sika no na omo nfon odo enkoto aba na ma ye nso ye nkunim die mbra no na omo atene sika no so ye mu bi omo num ne hia omo no mafu ana hia omo no matene sika no so na omo de sika na asombotom ukoto ba no ma 20 Ghana ene sika ni ye ho ne sika ni ye ho bono NDC ni no opedom opeso winning no ono oncheke so ye MPP ni ana ye NDC ni yum ono hu a wato o se o mentoi o se gene kokoto o wa ma 200 cedis ye no mu bebre o mkoto ba am san ndc enya ema 2 million ti koto ma ndc ben pipi ni wa kokoto aba na o ba ma usika no ma 20 Ghana wonya kasia ana 50 cedis mimi sei me chenkrofo makwa 8 ana buy ebu akwento no mso mo mma me chinipa makwa 8 na buy o meto aba no wie enkom on lorifa 2050 ge ba ku fia sesewa ana ba ku sia se beto aba akora se na chi oto aba no wie no kwakwaji ni sika 20 Ghana 50 cedis de ma no na mse ma na nje e ma dwaben ampi no ana man 200 cedis ana esa man 100 cedis kan akora ketekete no se na chi o ana odi ye lorifa ko ni krum na mo party agent ne po e kan say mo jija police station no sika na be hye mo ho a mo mu bi sika na be hye mo ho a na mo ya mo say sika na nkasa no efi mo nkasa mo botom ana mo de yadoye e sika no free be mpanifo ho ono aso madu no krampo na ono ba be akọ position odine sika ye dwuma no oro krampo nye ne ya wontana so na mo mpanifo mo a mo jija police station ne party agents for no mo mu bi mo di sika na yade na ye mo ya mbeka se nkasa mo botom sika ana mo de yade no kreda ho ne ye ka mo ma ye nka Edibi asi yari, si de yare na yensaka, si ya ne pe and yari.
So Akwatia by election. Hey, MPP, I want to tell you that you won the Akwatia by election. Look, you have won. Because the Akwatia by election just exposed the NDC to the people of Ghana to know that 2028 is going to be a problem for them. They went to Akwatia. The whole of NDC headquarters, they were at Akwatia. The whole of Mahama's appointees, they were at Akwatia. The whole of Eastern Region NDC, they were at Akwatia. Hey, they gathered there in their numbers. They were more than the Akwatia township, the NDC people. They talk. It refused to work. They threatened them. They used persons like Collins Dawuda and co. to threaten them. Hey, if you don't vote for us, we will not do this for you. Blah, 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 blah. They used intimidation. 5,500 police officers. They did not work. They did everything. Even President Mahama had to come in by telling them that if you giving a message out that if you vote for him, I will give him a position in my government. What didn't they do yesterday? And out of this number, 15,000 people stood by the NPP who have nothing. They have nothing to give them. They have anything. And the people said, it doesn't really matter. You have nothing for us, but we are standing by you. 15,000? So with all the things we did, 2,000 vote difference. You see that we are going to lose the Akwatia seat in 2028, you know, right? Because in 2028, you won't get those people there. You know that, right? This Akwatia by-election just exposed the NDC that they are losing credibility. I'm telling you, the reason why the Akwatia Township voted for you is to use you. You see how politicians use people? They want to use you for development. They want to use you just like you use people.